Good Sunday afternoon, my friends. Woo, what a difference it is from yesterday and those high winds to today, and we're already at 80 degrees. I'm headed to the back 40 because I'm going to show you what our cover crop's doing and what I got growing back there that's really going to shock you all. Got all these beautiful little buttercups, these little white flowers. Greg's got some sunflowers over here. So we're hoping that those come up because these are the beautiful sunflowers that we can get the seeds from. So in our area of Texas, we have this black gumbo, hard clay soil. So Greg's been cover cropping our back acre for over a year now, and what he's doing is he's planting oats, and he planted some buckwheat and some other goodies back here to try to get this soil ready for us to do some planting in. Let's look. So my friends, it looks like I'm gonna have me a good harvest of oats. I am so excited about this because I intend to save these oats and store them up, and I'll have my own oatmeal. But look at this field of oats. It looks like we're gonna have a heaping load of sunflowers as well. So he planted this beautiful field of oats in the fall last year, and we've had such a nice wet spring that they were coming up and they were looking fantastic. And I can't wait, guys, to come out here. Now the question is how am I gonna do this by hand? And it's gonna be difficult and it's gonna take some time, but I'm gonna do it. They're absolutely beautiful to me, guys. And just to think that we're gonna have some homegrown grains is really a big deal, especially in these troublesome times. But he has gone in and replanted some of the acre. He wanted to leave this alone and leave that alone. And so now he has got another cover crop here of some oats, but he also threw out some cow peas, which are your black-eyed peas or your purple hulls. And I'm eager to see if any of those start to come up. I'm seeing some peas come up, but it's gonna be a conglomerate of things. And if we could just keep our flow of rain coming in, we should do pretty good on this cover crop. So we are expecting some rain starting on Thursday, but let's look at the soil and how it looks. So you can see it's starting to break it up, and it's starting to make it workable, beautiful, and usable. So we've not farmed this land before, and so this soil is starting to look like we're going to be able to do this. And I think after this next cover crop that we have going in or coming up, that it's going to make it even better. But guys, that just goes to show you what a little bit of cover cropping will do for your soil and getting ready to plant in some maybe not so good soil and not so good land. And I really think this side's going to be absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, see, it's starting to get workable. Starting to get workable. So for every little stalk of, or grain of this, these oats that you see coming up, Greg dusted those seeds with the mycorrhizal fungi, and it is just going crazy in this field. And it's going to help us be able to use this back acre that we've not really ever been able to use. So you don't have to have an acre of land to do a cover crop. If you have a spot in your yard that you want to grow in, you can go ahead and cover crop it if you hadn't started planting yet and you're just looking at maybe next year. He did this very same mix in our raised beds, and those are doing fantastic. So we're really enjoying those and enjoying what it did for those. But I think that this area of land is looking really good. We're really excited about it, and we will keep you posted on this and show you just how good it turns out. All this stuff is going to grow, so we'll have more of a cover crop here. But again, this is his second year into this journey, and can't wait to see how it goes. So can you turn your soil around if you have some really icky clay soil? You sure can, guys. You can turn it around by doing some cover cropping, and find you a good cover crop mix, some oats. I know that wheat is not good for your soil. He did find that out, so we're not doing any kind of wheat, but we are doing legumes and oats and some sweet alyssum, and we are trying to build that up so we can use it and increase our harvest and increase our yields. You know, the Bible talks about threshing floors, and I guess I'm going to be having me one here real soon. It's a threshing floor to get those oats, and I'll be sure and do a video on that and show you exactly what I end up doing. It's probably going to be a whole lot of work, but it's going to be a whole lot worth it. I hope you guys are out enjoying this gorgeous day here in Texas, because we are certainly having one, and it's going to be like this all week up until around Thursday when we are expecting some rain. So you guys take care, God bless, and we will be in touch this week. Love you. Give us a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe to our channel for more great gardening ideas. Take care.